Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. In this video, we are going to discuss about behavior of lines representing a pair of linear equations in two variables and the existence of solutions. We know the pair of linear equations in two variables in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. How the behavior of that lines representation on the graph and how the existence of solutions. To explain it, I have drawn a table here. The heading is compare the ratios, graphical representation and algebraic interpretation. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the graphical representation is intersecting lines. This is the intersecting lines and its algebraic interpretation is exactly one solution or unique solution. Since there is solution existing, we can say that a pair of equations are consistent. Second condition, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Graphical representation coincident lines. Coincident lines means one line is on the other line. Since they are meeting so many points, we can say there are infinitely many solutions. And we can say in this case also the lines are consistent. Third condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. In this case, parallel lines. That means the lines are not intersecting at any points. Since they are not intersecting at any points, we can say there is no solution. That means the pair of linear equations are inconsistent. Let us discuss the questions on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. First question, 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 equal to 5 by 7, b1 by b2 equal to minus 4 by 6, c1 by c2 equal to 8 by minus 9. We can understand a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So we can conclude it is intersecting lines. Second question, 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0, 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 equal to 9 by 18 equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 equal to 3 by 6, that is also equal to 1 by 2. c1 by c2 equal to 12 by 24, that is also equal to 1 by 2. So we can conclude a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So the lines are coincident lines. Third question, 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3 by 1. b1 by b2 equal to minus 3 by minus 1, that is also equal to 3 by 1. c1 by c2 equal to 10 by 9. So we can conclude a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, the lines are parallel. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. First question, 3x plus 2y equal to 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 7. Here you see the both equations C1 and C2 are on the right side of the equation. So let us compare the ratio. A1 by A2 equal to 3 by 2, B1 by B2 equal to 2 by minus 3, C1 by C2 equal to 5 by 7. So we can conclude A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So exactly one solution or unique solution. So we can conclude it is consistent. Next question, 2x minus 3y equal to 8, 4x minus 6y equal to 9. A1 by A2 equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 equal to minus 3 by minus 6, that is also equal to 1 by 2. C1 by C2 equal to 8 by 9. So we can conclude A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So no solution, that is it is inconsistent. Next question, 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equal to 7, 9x minus 10y equal to 14. A1 by A2 equal to 3 by 2 by 9. Multiply with the reciprocal of the denominator we get, that is equal to 3 by 2 into 1 by 9, that is equal to 3 by 18. B1 by B2 equal to 5 by 3 by minus 10, that is equal to 5 by 3 into minus 1 by 10, that is equal to minus 5 by 30. C1 by C2 equal to 7 by 14. So we can conclude A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So exactly one solution or unique solution. So it is consistent. Next question, 4 by 3x plus 2y equal to 8, 2x plus 3y equal to 12. So A1 by A2 equal to 4 by 3 by 2, that is equal to 4 by 3 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 4 by 6 equal to 2 by 3. B1 by B2 equal to 2 by 3, C1 by C2 equal to 8 by 12, that is also equal to 2 by 3. So we can conclude A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, infinitely many solutions, that is, it is consistent. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.